Matter of fact, boy, you really got it bad for me, don't you? But you take it slow.